Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail of today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I transformed my hair from like dull, lifeless, dry, matted. It was just in shambles, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I brought it back to life and moisturized it, detangled it, added shine. It was just bomb. And I used the Key to Curls clay wash, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about this clay wash. I'm gonna show you guys how I applied it to my hair and just take you guys through the entire process. So just keep on watching this video if you're interested. Okay guys, so I'm so excited. Oh my god. So this is the Key to Curls Kinks, Coils and Curls clay wash, and it says our clay wash specializes in removing product buildup and impurities from the scalp and hair, conditioning your kinks, coils and curls, leaving them super clean, hydrated and moisturized. It's silicone and sulfate free, and it gives you the directions which you're supposed to apply it on dry unwashed hair and gently detangle, and afterwards you leave it on for 30 minutes and then co-wash your hair. The ingredients, the list is so short and so beautiful and pure. H2O, which you know is water, Optifen Plus, preservative, bentonite clay, avocado oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, wheat germ oil, and glycerin. And it tells you it's made in the Bahamas. So this product, like I said, it's made in the Bahamas. It is Bahamian owned brand company. It's by a black woman. She's young, on her grind, getting it, and man, I'm just so proud of her. I'm just rooting for her. She's a young entrepreneur. Her company is, I know it's gonna take off. Girl, if you're watching this, just shout out to you, okay? So this is the clay wash, and this is what it looks like. Obviously like clay. Well, like most clay wash. And so yeah, my hair, as you can see, my hair was dry, it was dirty, it was tangled, it was lifeless, dull, and I could go on for days with the horrible adjectives, but my hair just needed a pick-me-up. It needed like a good detox, and I was so happy that I received this. I was so excited to use it. I knew that it was probably going to be the best thing I ever did for my hair since going natural. So my hair, it needs some TLC. It needs a lot of TLC, and I feel like this is gonna, you know, it's gonna bring it back to life. And it says to apply it on dry unwashed hair, so that's what we gonna do. You can see it's dirty, it's old, yeah. So first of all, this smells so good. It smells like something you could eat, like wow. Woo. So I'm going to section my hair, since it says, you know, dry hair, and then you can slightly detangle your hair with it. I want to make sure that I'm not working in too big of a section, you know. Okay, consistency, hold up. All right, so this is how it looks. It feels really thick and creamy. So this is gonna help me with product buildup and dirt, and it's also gonna help to condition my hair at the same time. Okay, so I'm here for all of that because my hair needs it. My hair needs it. Look at that. It makes my hair like bone straight. It's crazy. But wait until I rinse it out though. This is my first time using it, but I have high hopes, like really high hopes for it. So not only do I really like have high hopes that it's gonna cleanse my hair and all of that, but I'm really excited because one, I've always wanted to try these like clay washes to remove buildup and all, but who has the time to, first of all, I haven't seen the Aztec clay anywhere near me, so I have to like order it online. and then mix it myself with apple cider vinegar to try to get the right consistency and all of that. But you know, this one already is made for you to just go ahead and apply it to your hair. Okay guys, so I have completely applied the clay wash to my hair. You can see this side is starting to dry right here, and yeah, I'm supposed to leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it out and co-wash my hair. So I'll be sure to show you guys that when I'm done, but this is how it looks. I am back and I have not co-washed my hair, and you know, I said I was gonna come back after I co-washed and everything. You know, I came on here all dripping and everything just so you guys could see this magic. All I did was rinse out the clay wash out of my hair. Look at it. I just want to know if y'all can see what I'm seeing. My hair is clumping. It's so defined. It's clumping all the curls together. It's so shiny. My hair is so defined. It's so soft. It feels clean, and I'm shook. Like, girl, what kind of magic do you put in this clay wash? Because, honey, like, what? Do you see these curls? Do you see these curls? Look at this. Look at this. You can see when you apply it to your hair, it makes your hair stiff, honey, stiff. So I think the difference with everyone else, when they do their clay wash, they work on wet hair, and so when they apply it, you kind of see like their curls are popping. This, because you're applying it on dry hair and it's not washed or anything, it makes your hair look straight, and you're probably like, whoa, what's happening? But don't be alarmed. That's literally how the product works. I decided to show you guys what my hair looked like before I went ahead and co-wash and style and everything, and I was shook. First of all, I wish I'd brought the camera in the bathroom, because when I was rinsing this out, I was like, hold up, is this my hair? Are these my curls? Like, my hair felt so good. The curls were just so bouncy and shiny and so beautiful. Like, I almost cried real tears, like it was that good, okay? And I'm just shook. I really feel like this is just a game changer, honestly. All the good stuff is already added in with the clay, and it's mixed to perfection, and all you have to do is apply it to your hair, leave it for 30 minutes, and your hair is back to life. So this is the smaller container of the clay wash. She does have a bigger size. She had to come up with a bigger size because, you know what I'm saying, everybody was raving over it, and I feel like I'm gonna need the bigger size too. So when this is done, I'm gonna get me some more, because I was just blown away and I can't stop cheesing, like, wow. But you can see I have a good amount in there. I can get like 3 more uses out of this, but I need a bigger size, because especially if you have low porosity hair and you tend to get build up a lot, and if you're the type of person who does not like to use clarifying shampoos, so you know you go co-wash, that's a go-to, then I recommend using a clay wash once a month, so you know, to clear up all that build up and get your hair popping again, you know what I'm saying? So I really like this. Well, that's an understatement. I love this. Okay, it gave my hair so much life, so much body, so much movement, so much shine. Okay guys, I'm not even joking. It's probably one of the best things I've ever used on my hair, and I recommend it to everyone, every single person. Like I said, it's a Bahamian brand, Bahamian company, so you know she's located in the Bahamas, of course, but she does ship to the US. So if you're in the US and you're wondering, girl, how am I gonna get it, she does ship to the US. Okay, and of course if you're in the Caribbean, that's probably even easier. So you know, hop on it, get it. It's like $14, which is not bad at all. You get a good amount of product. It's worth it. It's so worth it. And if you want to get the bigger container, I definitely say you should, because you're not going to regret it. This is it. Okay, girl, you did that. You did that. This is the best thing ever. Like, where has it been all my life? Or where has it been all my life? Like, I'm going to leave the Instagram for Key to Curls as well as the website down in the description box, guys. Check out the Instagram, check out the website, get your hands on this product. Like, usually I recommend products to y'all all the time, you know what I'm saying, and I'm like, it's worth a try, it's worth a try, and I never really push it and be like, you must get this, you need it. Okay, if it's one thing you need, it's this. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like, tell me if you think that it brought my hair back to life, because I really did think that it really, like, it blessed my hair. Okay, it did. So I'm just happy, I'm just excited, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.